So guys, she ended up not finding what she wanted. Look at her all sad, but baby, don't worry, we're gonna find something for you.
I'm fucking annoyed.
We're gonna find something.
We're gonna go to the Shoppers Drug Mart and check out everything.
Yeah?
I'm annoyed.
Yeah, I know.
Like,
you've been wanting that still.
I always wanted pink hair.
We
I feel like
we have a good 40 minutes, so.
Yeah, I need to pee though, but I don't want to go in that nasty ass bathroom. I'm currently at Shoppers Drug Mart and everybody's been talking about these Manic Panic I can't with my nails. This hot pink hair dye. So I took 2. If I need more, I'll go get more after, but at least I know that Shoppers Drug Mart has it and they have like all of the colors and they're not even that expensive. So that's pretty cool. We'll see how this goes.
They say Mike's about to blow though. Tell me something that I don't know. With the crowd bouncing like bogles. You can come on the tour bus, just please no photos. But they're all like Somo, cause we be going off on the off nights.
Guess who got a haircut?
Shout out to Junior.
Yeah, looking fresh. I love it when he gets a haircut.
My baby.
Yeah, I love it when he gets a haircut. He looks so much better. So much better.
Alright guys, so right now, oh shit. Yeah, so guys, so right now I'm in the whip. I'm about to go to Tom's house because she wanted me to come pick up a gift for Darcia, and Darcia still doesn't know what's going on, and then like she's been trying to ask me and everything, you know. But so yeah, so right now I'm gonna go to Tom's house and get a gift. So I'm gonna holler at you guys when I'm back there. I don't want no love, I just want diamonds. I wanna fuck your bitch. I wanna fuck your bitch. I wanna teach you new tricks. Hello.
Let's spin a vlog.
Hi.
So we're doing the vlog. Yo, let's do the video before, so she knows the before. So my black queen, this is yours.
Shit, I think got to see get
Yo,
shit.
it's a Christmas card. So Jimmy, where are we at? Getting some balloons.
Yeah.
Ok, c'est bizarre faire ça sans Darcia Dog. Darcia, we love you.
Si tu le mets dans ta face, tu tournes, puis là ça va tourner.
Hey! Hi Darcia! Tabarnak! Oh!
Well, my above the cat because he's on LeBron James here.
You want to watch the shit?
It has to be here. Boom.
We gotta get those cute. You like Hanes? Here's supposed to be happy birthday and this.
Got chocolate.
We got this, her favorites. Balloon 24 because she's gonna be 24 sis.
Yeah.
So nice. T'avais bébé dans le bateau rock sur le fond des Tihung.
On va mettre les sous-titres.
Bon, là, Tihung, bébé started to cry. So I hang up. Bébé, the Elise, her baby started to cry.
Jesus. We'll put translate for you guys. Bon, we're at the hotel room with the balloons. More balloons.
Put it on the chair. Oh no. Well,
No.
You see what?
Alright guys, so come help me out with the last things to do here.
Final touch up.
Yup.
Now we have to go pick up the birthday girl. 30 minutes.
So we'll see you guys in a bit.
Happy birthday, y'all! So I hope you're gonna enjoy all this nice surprise that you're a boo-boo and I helped a bit. Sabayla.
Alright, okay. Alright.
Love you, Darcy.
Alright, bye.
Drive safe.
Yeah.
Oh, you're cute.
Nah. Give credits to Tom. She did all 24.
She did these 24 balloons?
Yeah, 24 balloons.
This is so cute. Tom did this?
Yeah, she did that.
You're lying.
Yeah, she.
This is where you went?
Yeah, well, she.
Oh. Can I do a Snapchat?
Yeah.
Let me just do a Snapchat.
Alright, so you ready, baby? I might just.
Anxiety is through the roof right now.
I might just sell you to someone you just don't know.
Jimmy, that's not even funny.
How you feeling?
Nervous. I hate surprises.
Go straight. Turn left. Left. Yeah. Keep walking. Turn left. Left. Yeah. Go straight. That's loud, don't move.
You did it on purpose.
No, I didn't, I
I
swear.
look like a grudge.
Babe, just walk straight.
Straight where? Jimmy, you're really bad guy. Can I put this on
Okay.
the floor?
Sit. Okay, you can talk to them now.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel.
You just said, hey guys.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My anxiety level, well, not anxiety. I'm not a surprise type of person. But I'm excited. My lashes are completely squished. That's fun. They're mink, so that's expensive. What else to say? I'm old now. Are you in front of me?
No. What time is it?
Summertime.
Wow, keep talking, bro.
I don't know what to say. I can't see. I'm really concerned about my lashes right now.
You can take it off.
Really? Ow, something just fucking burned me.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Oh, you singing.
Happy birthday, dear baby. Happy birthday to you.
Woo, I can't blow that.
That's not it, guys. Wait, hold on. Let me.
Ouch, one of them fell on my foot and burned me.
That's one thing I told you.
Oh, cute.
Didn't have what you wanted, but
What didn't have what I wanted?
apple crumble, whatever bullshit.
Oh, it's fine. I like this one.
And I got something else for her, guys.
This balloon.
She wanted that.
This wine. Yee!
Shout out to your mom.
My mom.
Yeah, cause I didn't know what bottle to buy you, so she told me it was Gallo. So
I love gallows.
So here's the little room, the little 24.
Little 24. Ah. Who did this?
Me,
Oh,
me.
You did?
Me. I did that. Your boyfriend did that.
Thanks, baby.
You're welcome, baby.
Oh, we have to take a picture.
Cause I know you've been going through a lot, so I know sleeping somewhere else would have made you feel better.
Ah,
So this was last minute. I didn't even plan it.
really?
Yeah.
Oh, cutie. I love you.
So the minute that you went to the nails, I love you too. But the minute you went to the nail salon, that's when I was like, yo, you know what? I'm gonna do that for her.
Oh, thanks, baby.
I love you.
Oh.
And look, we got you
Cheetos.
snacks that you like.
My Cheetos.
I chose this because you always take that when we go to the movies.
Snickers.
Snickers. Tram did this,
Really? Cute.
and this is a gift. I mean, I had to put it like it was mine, you know, but it's not from me, cause
It's from who? This is from Tom. I'm gonna read the Christmas card.
she told me that too.
This bitch gave me a Christmas. Okay, this is long.
Yeah, you can read it.
Nah, I can't read it out loud.
No, you
I
don't
don't
want
like
to?
reading that shit out loud. It's a. This video
Okay.
is gonna be half an hour.
So
I'm
okay,
gonna
just
read
let's show them real quick the little card. Okay,
a bunch of stuff.
she went hard on that.
Yeah, she went hard on the card. What is?
Shout out to Tom.
Shout out to Tom. There's like lots of stuff I need to do.
Can you just unpack
Can
it?
you just unpack
My
it?
guy?
Yo, I like the Christmas card. She got my shoes.
What shoes?
I think. I'm sure she did it. I'm sure she took a box and just wrapped something else in it.
I haven't checked.
She got my shoe. Oh, I've been wanting these shoes from Aldo for a while. Shout out to Tram, I love you, bitch. And yeah, I love you so much. Oh, she's so sweet. I'm gonna read the card now when she's like, when we're done filming, when we're gonna be alone. Just look at my foot, bro.
Just give me a catwalk real quick. She's not even drunk yet. She didn't have no alcohol in her system, so she has no reason to. Oh, okay. Okay, okay.
Yes, bitch. Yes. Ah,
Alright, so yo, I want to shout out Tom.
it's my birthday.
She helped me out with all that, so good looks to you.
It's my. Can I please take? I need a picture with this. Is so fucking cute.
Alright, so good morning, guys. We're getting ready. Well, I'm just chilling. We're getting ready. I'm taking her out to eat because she's a fat ass. Nah, because I love her, you know. It's still her birthday today, so. Well, it's her birthday the whole week.
It is my birthday the whole week.
No. No, not the whole week. The whole weekend.
The whole month.
The whole month. Alright, the whole month. It's her birthday the whole month. So I'm gonna be nice to her only today. And then the next days I'm going back to being an asshole.
Yes.
Here you go.
Are you done with the cake? Okay, relax. You already zoomed with the. My lashes. See, because of you, I almost left without my lashes.
Because of you.
Because of you, I almost left without my lashes.
Okay. Shh.
Spuddy, you didn't wish me happy birthday. Viens, viens. Reviens ici. Come here. Viens. Yes. No, not the weave. Go see Jimmy. Jimmy hates the dog. Okay, good morning, everybody. It is the next day of my birthday party. So pretty much this is why I have this hair color. I'm gonna keep it for today, but after that I'm gonna go back to the black, or the brown black. So today is Canada Day. We are currently going nothing. We're not going anywhere. What? We're not going anywhere. My mom's making food. My cousins who came to my party from the States and from a place called Repentigny, which is really far from me, came to my birthday party, and they pretty much slept over, well, in my area. So they're gonna come eat and stuff, and I'm gonna make a sangria. So I'm gonna show you guys how I make it. So to make a sangria, you're gonna need wine. You can make red wine or white wine. I just like the white wine better. I'm gonna be using orange juice. Yeah, we have extra in the back. You're gonna need some limes. You can also put lemons, but I don't have any. We have also some Sprite. You'll also need a couple shots of rum.
2 shots of vodka.
You can add vodka or rum depending on what you have. I only have rum right now, so I'm gonna get rum and a splash of vanilla essence extract. I don't know how to call this, but we get these from Haiti.
Every single song I put my pen on, no, they don't know. Or maybe they starting to, cause I work so hard that it's hard to lose. Top spot, I'm taking that face to face. Got a bottle in my hand, I'm facing that. Cause if winning is a habit, then I've been an addict. Every night it's cinematic. When you roll with us, and we won't live forever. But I will remember when I met you in the summer. And I came to your town. We fell in love, and we burned it to the ground. And we could be together, baby. But I gotta leave soon. Everybody's listening now, but we got nothing to lose. When I met you in the summer. I met you in the summer. When I met you in the summertime. time with your fine ass. Merlot in that wine glass, she dope as hell from Jersey, baby. White girl, but the curves are crazy, and she up all night like Adderall. She like sushi too, we compatible. And these other guys average, so they mad to know, cause I'm ill like a dragon roll. Got cover girls in my room, but they don't need no makeup though. They just tryna party, live too fast to take it slow. Got summer flings and these summer things, but we just making memories. Just promise you'll remember me in that time when I met you in the summer, and I came to your town. We fell in love, then we burned it to the ground, and we could be together, baby.
Bonne fête, Darcia. Bonne fête, bonne fête.